What's up, everybody? This is T-Roy here with T-RoysToys. On today's episode, we're going to take this old picture frame that I found. We're going to fix it up again and make something a little bit funny out of it. Get our trusty old-timer pocket knife out here. Yeah, that thing's it's a little water damaged. I don't think that can be saved. That's okay. I got plans for that. We're going to do something a little bit different. Alright, we're going to take our sanding block here. We're just going to lightly sand this so we can put a coat of cheap paint on it. Alright, I reckon it's pretty good, scuffed up. Let's get her cleaned up. We're going to put some cheap paint on her. And we're going to clean it up a little bit. Now guys, I got this picture frame from a little resale shop close to where I work at. And sometimes I can't sell stuff for obvious reasons. And they throw it out for free. So, I just hate seeing anything good go to waste. So we're going to try to do something with it. I always like to repurpose things. And for free 99, guys, you cannot beat that. Alright, now that this had time to dry, we're going to grab some paint. And this is just some we had laying around, so I figured black is good. It's better than red. I don't think a red picture frame would look very good. I was wanting some brown, but I guess I don't have any. Here we go. Alright, we're going to let that dry, and we're going to flip it over. Alright, now that she's mostly dry, we're going to flip her over, put the other coat on. Alright, we're going to let that dry, and then we'll flip it over, put one more coat, and we'll be good to go. Alrighty, we got both coats of paint on her. She's dried, been sitting up for about a week now because I've been busy at work and been able to get to it. Alright, she looks good. Let's get her put together. Now, we're not going to reuse this picture because it's, doesn't look that cool. I got something better in mind for this one. A little bit on the funny side. And of course, it's one of those things that your wife will not let you hang in the house, so you got to take it to work. So that's kind of what this is for. Alright, first we want to put our glass in. Alright. Alright, I was able to scavenge a wire, a little ground wire off a project I've been having for a long time. We're going to use this to hang it. And we're just going to reuse our screws because this is a cheap project after all. And there are ways you could do this better, but this will work just fine for what we need to do. Alright guys, pretty sure she'll hang on that. That's going to do it. Now for the grand reveal. What y'all think of that right there? That is classic Dumb and Dumber. Well, alright guys, there you have it. We fixed up the little picture frame, got to put a little humor in it. But anyway guys, that's going to do it for this episode. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope y'all find this hilarious. It's going in the bathroom at work because my wife's not going to allow it in the house. So anyway guys, I want to thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good evening.